Just when you thought the Jeep Wrangler JL couldn't get more refined. Introducing the all-new, fully automated, armor-protected power step slider from Rockslide Engineering for the 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL. The step extends automatically when a door is opened and retracts when the door is shut. The step deploys a full 12 inches down from the slider, providing the driver and passengers with a convenient and safe means to climb in or out of the Jeep. When the step is retracted, it becomes a fully functional rock slider that is engineered with 11-gauge steel construction and stainless steel internals that will flex the length of the step to absorb the energy of a hit or drop on the step slider in off-road conditions. The step slider comes with a maintenance-free powder coating and has a 3-year warranty against manufacturer defects and 12-month warranty on the coating. Visit rockslideengineering.com today for more information and to order your step slider kit.